Everyone, I hope all of you are doing great and thanks for your support on Udemy and YouTube. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to create a customized view. So in SAP ECC, the word variant was quite popular that if you want to create certain default values in a report, you will create a variant and give to your business users. Always use this variant so that you don't have to input all the data like plant, company code and all. You can only change the date. In similar way, when you're working in any development during the FUT, functional unit testing stage, if you get any issue, you will create a variant and give to the ABAP that can you check this variant. That's what happened. So in ECC, for example, if I check MB52, my issue is with GP01. Let's take it. Yeah, GP01, I'm getting a wrong data. Just an example. So you give it the plant and you check the data. There is only one material. For example, you have issue with RM11, then save it. You'll create a variant. How to create a variant? We have a video on YouTube Udemy. You can search that. This is a simple variant creation. So what I'm getting error, right? Maybe something E01, RM11, stock issue, and save it. So you will give to the ABAP consultant, or if you like I told that for the business user you created, at that moment you will provide. So they will come to MB52. So here I just opened so yeah, normally to MB52. So once they come to MB52, they will go to this button variant. They select E01. This data will be automatically defaulted based on the variant, and then they check it. So what is the issue? Why the stock was wrong? Okay, he will analyze and he will provide you. This is a standard. If you work for custom, also similar one. But in S4 HANA, in Fiori, the word variant you may not be using anymore. You have to use the word called view. I'm going to teach you now. Let's launch Fiori Launchpad /UI2/FLP. Once you launch the Fiori, we are going to get this Fiori screen. I have just logged in, so I got directly the login. Otherwise, system will ask you to input the login and user ID and password. Once you come here where you wanted to check it, for example, I want to check something analytics, stock monitoring. Okay, that is stock monitoring. You can use it or inventory analytics, any of these categories because both are having the stock monitoring related. Okay, I'm going to the stock monitoring, stock multiple materials. Let's take an example. I came to the stock multiple materials and I want to create a variant for GP01 and RM11. Same way how we had done in MB52, I created this one, but I need to create a view. No more variant word. Select view, click on here, click on save as, put the name E01. Okay, maybe name you can put it E01 RM11 issue. You cannot keep it set as default because you're just checking for the issue analysis, and you can put it this public so that anyone can use this variant, especially the ABAP consultant in this case. If it is user also, you can put it that set as default based on the requirement. You can put it, save it. So next time I came here, stock thing, standard is the default one. It is there. And the ABAP consultant has to click on here, E01 RM11 issue. See, the values are automatically came. He will click on the go and check what is the material, why the stock is mismatching, and what is the reason. He can analyze and support. So ECC variants are S4 HANA view concept can be used, and this view can be used for different purpose also. You can create your own view on S4 HANA Fiori and monitor the details. So this is about the view creation. I hope you learned something. If you want to know anything about Fiori apps, please put it in a comment. Even I'm also exploring, because currently I'm working in Fiori customized reports and all. So if I find any useful things to all of you, then I will definitely make a video and share with you. Thank you, and keep learning, keep sharing knowledge. Thank you.